So this series of products is the newest ultra-rugged family of scanners. It's focused and designed for the industrial marketplace. Industrial manufacturing and warehouse and distribution traditionally wants a scanner that, in addition to being an exceptional barcode reader, also can survive the environment. So what makes this series different from everything that's been out there previously from us or our competitors is it's an extremely good barcode scanner. So it'll read barcodes faster and further than ever before. Traditionally, new generations of barcode readers will read further, and always reading further is always one of the key things that barcode reader vendors tend to try to do. But in addition to reading further, this class of products we've made read much faster, sometimes called snappier, than previous products. So these products will have time to decode that's second to none, and near and far point scanning that's better than anything that's been in the marketplace before. In addition to just reading really well, one of the other key attributes of this line is it is the most rugged product in the category. So many years ago, 12, 15 years ago, this company designed a rugged class scanner, which was the first in the marketplace. Primary difference was it survived really harsh environments. Over the years, that product has been very successful and really was second to none from a durability standpoint. Many competitors have seen the success of the what we call NGIS, Next Generation Rugged Scanner line, and have basically copied or matched those performance attributes from a drop standpoint, a sealing to the environment. And what we're setting to do here is really differentiate our product by making it ultra rugged. So higher drop, better sealing. In fact, this class of products can be dunked in a meter of water for over a minute and still come out and scan barcodes. So sealed to the environment and withstands rugged application where it's usually dropped to concrete or tumbled to the floor over and over again. So the family of products is really not just, we talk about it as a product, it's really a family of products. There are many different scanners, corded and cordless, and each of those differences is specifically tuned to the environment that it's in. So we have products that'll read really high density symbols, products that'll read up close, maybe an arm's distance away, and we have versions of the scanner that'll read out to 50, 60, maybe even 70 feet, depending upon the target symbology. Those are usually characterized by our, what we call ER, extended range reading. So there will be a large family of products. When we launch this family in April of 2016, you will see messaging around all of those, including a new class of products that we'll offer, which is called a DP for direct part marking, and that's where rather than printing an ink barcode on the material, whether it's paper or plastic, this is actually going to be a reader that will read dot peened and directly markings on products. In some cases, those are very high density symbols. In other cases, they are medium density symbols, but they're very low contrast. So there'll be many specialty readers within the release of this product, and each of those is highly tuned for specific applications and use cases in warehouse and distribution and industrial manufacturing. So the last key attribute of the family that will make it differentiated better than anything that's been out there before is manageability. So one of the key issues that our customers have around deploying large volumes of these scanners all over the globe is how do I manage that enterprise of scanners that could be in multiple countries and multiple locations throughout the ecosystem of that customer's environment. So several things. One is manageability of the batteries. So half of these scanners will be cordless devices, and every cordless device has a power source in the battery. Traditionally, those batteries were not very intelligent. They were just a power source. Managing batteries, as we all know, because we all carry cell phones, knowing how much charge is in the battery, we all got accustomed to seeing a little battery gas gauge icon on all of our mobile devices to know what level of charge they have. Well, users of these scanners in business environments want to know when they take that scanner out for 4 hours of work or 8 hours of work, how much battery do they have, and has the thing taken a charge so they can use it for their entire shift. So one of the things we've added to this product will be a battery gas gauge that will give the operator an indication of how much battery charge is in the device when they take it out of the cradle for the first time. In addition to that is batteries have a usable life. And if the battery doesn't accept the charge, we need to tell the operator or the enterprise that the battery is no longer capable of taking a charge, and we indicate that back to the operator in a sequence, in a form of LED lights that will tell them the battery is no longer accepting a charge. Its usable life is done, take it out of service. To make that manageability even easier, one of the things we've added is through our Scan 123 utility, we can actually provide all kinds of battery statistics back to the managing enterprise. And that is, when was this battery first put into service? How many charge cycles has it seen? What is the minimum and maximum temperature the battery has explored? And all this information is stored in the battery. So these batteries are smart. They now have intelligence in them to record all this data. And on query through Scan 123, that information can be pulled out of the battery, and then the enterprise can manage whether they want to keep that in service or throw it in recycling and put a new battery into the enterprise. Beyond just battery management, the ability to manage what kind of barcodes am I seeing, how long is it taking me to decode, what type of barcode am I seeing, all of that data is recorded in the scanner, and through Scan 123 can be pulled out of the device and reported back to the enterprise. So managing that whole enterprise of scanners, from battery, data content, how long it's been in service, is all stuff that the new class of scanners will enable the operator to do. The last thing from manageability, although not new, is something that will be enhanced, is the ability to remotely reflash and reprogram your devices to bring them up to a new level of software or a new level of application without physically going down and having to touch every unit. So overall, the package from a durability, from a scan performance, and a manageability standpoint will really be second to none in the marketplace and really make this class of products much better than anything we've offered before to the industrial marketplace.